You can network with potential customers during the fair and talk to them directly. Alternatively, you can download a lead list that you can use for marketing purposes once the fair is over. In addition, back office organization is simplified for your sales and marketing team, marking contacts that have already been processed and pursuing the leads that have been collected in a targeted manner. All visitors who, for example, view your product presentations or visit your showroom are saved as leads in the back office. This fully automatic lead tracking provides you with the customer's full contact details and is absolutely GDPR compliant.